Here's how to add memes to your videos in CapCut. Now, if you have a video and you wanted to overlay a meme on top of it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into a web browser and first just go to somewhere where you can download a meme. So in this case, you can go, for instance, to this one, and it's really helpful. If that meme has a green screen around it or a solid color, this will allow you to remove the background. Now, after we've done that, let's download it to your device and let's just open up CapCut and hit New Project first. We're going to add a video on here. This will be the background video. And now if I wanted to add that meme on top of it, I'm just going to tap on Overlay at the bottom center and hit Add Overlay. And now I can scroll up and choose that meme. Now keep in mind, I can pinch this around to make it bigger or smaller. I can move it, and keep in mind, I might not want that green screen in there. So if you wanted to remove that, all you need to do is make sure that video is selected. And then at the very bottom, we're going to scroll over until we get to remove BG or remove background and tap on that. Now in this instance, a chroma key is really easy. So tap on chroma key and you're going to just choose that green color. You can choose the intensity, whether we want increase this a bunch. Let's increase this a bunch here and hit. Okay, and now if I hit play, you can see it has removed that entire green screen, and it just has that meme overlaid on top of the video, and you're good to go. For more tutorials, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.